Hello everyone, welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will be unboxing the AYANEO Pocket Micro. The AYANEO Pocket Micro Classic is a new handheld device without a joystick, just a D-pad, base buttons, and a set of side buttons for convenience. It basically captures all the benefits of modern handheld consoles with a retro look that harks back to the days of the old Game Boy. According to AYANEO, the purpose is to enjoy gaming at any time. In terms of overall design, the chassis is inspired by the 90s era with a futuristic touch that combines plastic and metal frames reminiscent of the previous version of the AYANEO Pocket Micro. The corner lines of the device are soft with smooth edges that prevent fatigue during long games. The device comes in 3 different classic colors available. Unboxing and first impressions. The AYANEO Pocket Micro Classic comes in a compact and stylishly packaged box. Inside you'll find the handheld controller, a USB-C charging cable, a user manual, and upon pre-order, a carrying case, and some customary AYANEO stickers like the previous joystick version, depending on the package you purchase. The AYANEO Pocket Micro Classic is a handheld gaming device designed to revive memories of the Game Boy, offering modern improvements and extensive simulation capabilities. The D-pad directional buttons have been improved with a circular disc design for excellent pressure accuracy to support fighting games. An anti-slip rubber surface with comfortable click sound buttons for long-term use with grip engineering in terms of shoulder buttons. The L2R2 buttons operate with linear trigger technology to simulate racing games. Wavy rubber grips for improved grip during intense gameplay. A back curve designed with 3D scanning technology to fit the palm of the hand. Rubber contact points on the sides to prevent slipping even with sweat and long-term use without feeling bored or tired in the hand. Fits different hand sizes. This design offers a rare balance between retro aesthetics and modern functionality. It ultimately remains a one-handed handheld device, with a simple design that leaves some aspects of comfort less than larger devices. The control buttons, including traditional buttons and supports, are appropriately placed, but due to the small size of the device, some users may feel crowded or anxious when using it for long periods. However, the overall design is practical and suitable for users who prefer a portable and easy-to-use device in various environments. In terms of weight, the device weighs 227 grams, but it is characterized by the AYANEO Pocket Micro Classic body, which is characterized by a compact design that combines smoothness and practicality. The outer body is made of metal and treated plastic, which provides a balance between durability and lightweight. In terms of screen quality, the device comes with a 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen accurately, 960 by 640 pixels with a brightness of 400 nits with 115% sRGB coverage. Color performance is vivid and vibrant. High color gamut coverage ensures rich picture levels accurately restore the rich style of classic games. Balanced brightness adapts to different lighting environments. The contrast is sharp and dark details are clearly visible. The gaming experience is smooth and has no delay. The touch response is fast and fits the operating logic of the mobile game console. The high refresh rate reduces motion blur and improves motion continuity. The viewing angle is wide and multiple people can share the image without distortion. Low blue light mode relieves eye fatigue after playing for a long time. The glossy protective layer is solid and reliable. The Corning glass-like material has excellent scratch and wear resistance. The oleophobic layer effectively prevents fingerprint residue. The edge arc treatment reduces the risk of screen breakage. The anti-glare design maintains visibility under strong light. The overall structure is reinforced to handle the effects of daily drops. The device comes with a MediaTek Helio G99 processor with an option of 8 GB RAM with 256 GB storage, or 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage LPDR4 UFS 2.2, with the possibility of adding an internal storage memory. In terms of processor power, Brick supports many emulators for old systems, such as NES, Game Boy, and more, so you can enjoy a variety of old games. The interface is clear and easy to navigate, allowing you to quickly move to games thanks to the CPU with a cooling fan and a super cooling system, and the presence of the 6-axis gyroscope feature enjoy action, games, and extreme sensitivity. With the presence of the AYASpace Management interface, the wonderful AYAHome Desktop Launcher, and the Android 13 operating system reminds us a lot of the previous version, AYANEO Pocket 1, but without the joystick. The device comes with a 2,600 mAh battery with a 1x USB Type-C port and USB 2.0 OTG1X G1X microSD card slot 3.0 and SoundTAPMagic Sound Vibration, XInput Vibration Multi-Scene Performance Mode key. Mapping with Bluetooth 5.2 and 5 Wi-Fi connectivity, this device offers a rare balance between retro aesthetics and modern functionality. Its meticulous manufacturing makes it a strong competitor in the market. If you are looking for a high-quality classic emulator, do not hesitate to consider it the best choice.